If you're tired of trading time for money and you want to build income that runs 24/7, this video is for you. What if I told you that you can create something once and sell it forever? With no inventory, no shipping, and no employees. That's the power of digital products. And today I'll show you how to get started in 5 simple steps. I'm Mickey Flo, and this is how to start selling digital products in 2025. Let's go. Step 1. Find a problem to solve. All great digital products solve a specific annoying problem. Think about your own experience. Have you ever made a spreadsheet to manage your money? A planner to organize your week? A guide that helped you learn something faster? That's your product. Start small and specific. Not budgeting for everyone, but a monthly budget tracker for freelancers. The more niche, the better. Step 2. Choose your format. You don't need to write a full ebook. You can start with something simple. PDF guides, Google Sheets templates, Notion dashboards, AI prompt packs, Instagram templates made in Canva. Pick what's easiest for you to create. Step 3. Build it. Use tools like Canva, Google Docs, Notion, or ChatGPT to help you design and write. Keep it clean, useful, and easy to understand. People don't pay for complexity. They pay for clarity. Step 4. Upload and sell. Use platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or Etsy. Just upload your product, add a title, write a short description, and set a price. Start low, like $5 to $15. Once you get feedback and reviews, raise your price or bundle products into a premium version. Step 5. Promote it. No audience? No problem. Make short videos showing your product in action. Post in Reddit or Facebook groups where your audience hangs out. Answer questions on Quora and link your product. Add value first, then share the solution. You don't need 10,000 followers. You need 10 people with a problem, and your product solves it. So to recap, solve a problem, create a simple product, upload it, promote it, improve and repeat. This is how you build passive income that grows over time. And it all starts with one product. I'm Mickey Flo, and if you want help turning your ideas into income, hit that subscribe button. Let's grow together.